I've never laid in an engine bay before. This is a first.
What's up guys, welcome back to Mammoth 4runner, and the mods for the 6th gen are continuing. And you can see behind me, I have some wheels that I will be doing a full video on here in the next couple weeks. I'll keep those a surprise for right now. If you follow my Instagram, then you know everything. So I encourage you guys to go follow my Instagram because I literally post daily on what I'm doing, new modifications for the truck, and everything in between. But for YouTube install video, I do have something coming for the wheels. I have a winch, so a lot of parts coming in for the truck, and I couldn't be more excited because this next one that is up is one of those ones that I've wanted back in the 5th gen days. And I think, and if anyone sees this, you're like, hell yeah, that thing is badass. Now what I got from you from Seibon is their carbon fiber hood for the 6th gen 4runner. And this thing is sweet. So I'm gonna flip this around, let you guys see what it looks like in the sun. I'm gonna pull it into the garage because with this hood, it is smart to install some hood struts for it, which should have came stock from factory for the 6th gen, but for whatever reason, Toyota just gave us an old school lift handle for the hood. So this way we're gonna be doing hood struts, and this thing is so freaking sweet. Check it out. And there we have it. So this is a Seibon carbon fiber hood, and look at the way it just glistens in the sun. Now this is basically your hood scoop that you get with the TRD Pro model or the TRD Sport model, but this has a little extra perk to it. You have an option of getting these vents right here that just add a little extra aggression, a little bit more airflow. Yes, this thing is not just for looks. This is a functional hood scoop. All right, and here we go. As I said, it is functional. You got your air vents there, keeping everything nice and cool. With that, you know, a modification that I was already planning on doing was getting some hood struts for this. But other than that, as far as like the drilling, you do drill 2 holes for the stock water hoses there. So you kind of just feed those through. They do clip into the stock locations. You just need to drill a couple little holes to put the hoses in. Not sure why they don't just come like that automatically, but drilling through took about 2 seconds. So not a big deal. We got that. I got that done first thing. Like I said, it mounts in the stock brackets. So, and it's cool. This thing is 30% lighter than the stock hood. And you know, it just gives such a sick look to the truck. And especially for us SR5 guys or TRD off-road guys, you know, I'm a TRD off-road on this, and it just doesn't come with a hood scoop. You're probably asking like, how does rain stop? You know, what happens if it rains? Well, the truth is, since it's functional and all the holes are there, well, when it rains, you're gonna wanna cover that up. Or what it comes with is this rain guard. Now this thing mounts up right in the middle. I actually have a heat shield on here just to help protect, because these trucks like to get really hot. So I actually have this, they recommended me to put this heat shield on here, but this thing bolts up around the center here, and that'll be the rain catch. So I'm actually gonna put this on here today too, and just because I don't really need it functioning. It's cool that it does, but I don't really need it. But I am gonna go ahead and put that back in because winter is coming and I'd rather not have rain put in. But I wanna wait to put that on until I get the hood struts in. So that brings me to the hood struts. And don't ask me why Toyota did not put hood struts in there, because you would think with today's technology and all the cars, you think, and all the technology in this truck right now, you think that would just be a normal process at this point. What do you guys think? Why didn't Toyota do it? Is there something I'm missing? All right. So it looks like we have the brackets. We have the struts themselves, Redline Tuning with the logo on it, super cool. Comes in this nice packaging. And the other two mounts. So I'm gonna look this up, see where these mount to, and get them on the hood. Is this one? The first top bracket for the driver's side. Loosen the top bolt. All right, so top bracket. That's crazy. Nice. Other side here, same thing. Grab the other strut. So the only thing I'm noticing is that with this new bracket here, it kind of makes this fold up a little, but maybe I could loosen that a little. And then, there we go. So I just loosened that bracket a little bit so that plastic piece can fall behind. Alrighty, so there you go. Hood struts are officially installed. They're super nice. The hood goes up a lot higher than it did before, which is always a plus. And then even pulling it down, like it really is locked up there. So let's see, when we unclick it. Nice. That is sweet. So cool. It just made the carbon fiber hood 10 times cooler. All right, guys, and there you have it. That is the Seibon carbon fiber hood. This thing is freaking sweet. As you can see, it feels, God, it just feels so good coming up. Now for the rain guard on this thing, these are all the bolts and washers that come with it. Now that we have the Redline Tuning struts up, it's gonna make this process way, way easier as we just balance it up here.
I've never laid in an engine bay before. This is a first.
Now this time around, I'm not putting all of them back in because I don't think it's necessary. And there you go. So that is the rain guard. You put that back on. I've got no rain coming. I'm from South Orange County, so you know, we don't really get a lot of rain. But if I was still up in Mammoth or something, I'd maybe reconsider with all the snow and water going in there. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys all liked the video. Make sure to tune in every Sunday as I have new videos coming out. Lots of modifications coming for the 6th gen. I am currently building the baddest 2025 Toyota 4runner of 2025. So you guys make sure to tune in, make sure you stay up to date, make sure to follow me on Instagram as I post daily, every single day on there for the most part, and you get to follow the mods, really how they come in pretty much real time. Big thank you to Seibon, big thank you to Redline Tuning. Your struts just put that extra little flavor to the whole mod. So with that said, guys, I will see you in the next mod for the 6th gen 4runner. Peace.